Okay.
Today you're making macaroni pizza, super duper macaroni cheese. You can see I already make my pepper sauce. Use any kind of, you put any spices you like in it.
How'd you make it?
For peppers, sugar, 2 cups, 2 cups of sugar, oregano, paprika, and salt and pepper, and that's all.
Go.
Well, now I'm making my pizza. 10 minutes.
What are you gonna do for 10 minutes?
Cook it for 10 minutes. The sauce and delicious, and then we'll let you cook. Today, you're making, oh man.
Alright. Keep going, keep going.
Now we're gonna make my pizza crust for my super duper macaroni cheese pizza. Any dough you want, but today you use
1 package of pizza crust mix.
1 pack of pizza biscuits. And then
That's half the fun of it, is getting messy.
Then half a cup of hot water. And then mix it. And then cover it up for 10 minutes, right?
That's what you told me.
You tell me, actually. Your face is gonna spill on me.
That's right. Do it good. Okay.
Cover it for 10 minutes. And let it rise. You should put it in the butter.
Stir.
And stir it. And munch it up, right?
Stir it and just stir it. It'll melt.
Okay, you say so. And I'm just trying to be a good chef here.
Stir it gently, Corey. Stir it gently.
Like that?
Yeah.
And a little salt and pepper. Unless you want to lose more spices, even salt and pepper. I'm using the Patrick kind, or you can use any kind of cheese you like. Right now I'm using the Patrick. And stir it. Oopsie.
That's how you stir it.
Now you add the milk. How much? How many would you sell?
How much do you put?
With the whole bottle.
1 cup.
1 cup of milk. And let it full. And then stir it. And put it back on the heater.
Oh my god, you're such a womp.
Just kidding.
Say it.
Oh my god, looks good. Now, wait. Now my pizza crust is ready. I'm gonna get the pan ready. Pizza clear, not too much. And it makes it hot.
Go.
Okay, we halfway flour, do it. Unless you want to do flour, push it all the way to the side. Like this. All the way to the side like this. Wash up from the crust. Then wipe my hands. And then I get my out the water, and then I'm gonna make my pizza. Oh, spoon this sauce all over. And remember, I know how this, so pour the sauce everywhere on, even on the side. Yes, yep. I mean, don't. Spread it everywhere like this, and grab some more, and then do it again. That sauce is so good. Now I'm going to put the macaroni and cheese on first. And now I'm going to put the macaroni and cheese on first.
And a little help from our assistant.
No butter.
Because it's hot. So you need a little help. Here you go, dear.
That little Chinese type.
And what are you going to do for it?
And now I'm going to spread it all over. Like that.
And now we're topping cheese.
Now I'm going to sprinkle any kind of cheese you like. But today I'm using cheddar and mozzarella. Spread that all over the place. Plus you know how to make cheese bites. Today you see I have my specially made pizza by week. Now you're going to put bacon bits to the even. Only lose half because some people might be a vegetarian. I'm going to cook my pizza for real. At 350. With a little help from my mom. So put in and then close the oven.
30 minutes. Timer for 30 minutes.
What's that?
Set the timer for 30 minutes and it will be ready.
And we'll be ready. Look how delicious my pizza. Remember guys, either cook with mom or dad or both, because this is very hot. And delicious probably. So go in the kitchen and make it right now. Ta-da!